Welcome to my Haitian shortcut series where I'll be doing shortcuts of Haitian dishes. I'm starting off with Sos Pwa. First, I added some oil to my pot and I added in some épis. I'm going to be using some frijoles for this. I added the entire can of frijoles and I also added a little bit of water to let it boil for a bit. Afterwards, I added that into my blender and I blended and strained it as you normally would when you're making sos pwa. And then afterwards, it looked just like this. Now, I did leave a little bit of beans into my pot, so I just added in the strained on top of that. And then I also added in some green peppers with the cloves poked into it, and of course some coconut milk, a little bit of salt, not too much, and then some butter. Now let that cook. And then afterwards, I added in some dumplings because the boy needs to be in my sos pwa, but that's just me. And then that's just it. I also took out the pepper because I didn't want the cloves to just get all in there. And then I let it cook down till it got to a nice thick consistency. And that's pretty much it. This shortcut is definitely worth it, especially if you don't have time to make the whole process. Serve it up and enjoy.